couldn't connect. So if you are facing this problem or couldn't connect to Snapchat, then this video might help you. So make sure you watch this video till the end and to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And let's get into the video. So while you are using Snapchat and chatting with someone or doing something on Snapchat, and if a pop-up is available which says that couldn't connect, then that might be the various reason. So the first reason is your network connection may be weak or your internet connection may be weak. For that, simply swipe down your notification panel, and if you have connected to Wi-Fi, then make sure your Wi-Fi connection is strong. If you are using cellular data, then make sure you are in the reach of good network condition. Once you are sure that your network connection is not an issue, then this will be automatically fixed. But if you are still unable to fix that, then you just have to refresh your Snapchat. Simply go back and you have to press and hold over Snapchat and go for app info. Over here you have to go for storage and cache, and you just can simply clear the cache. By doing that, also Snapchat will be refreshed and you'll be able to fix your problem easily. And with these two fixes, you'll be able to fix your problem easily. But if you are still unable, then you just can restart your mobile device. For that, you can press over your power button in the right hand side, and there will be the restart button. You can see over here, just go for restart, or if there is a reboot option, then you can also go for that. And by doing that, your phone will be refreshed and you'll be able to fix your problem. So with these three fixes, you'll be able to fix the Snapchat error couldn't connect problem. So I hope this video was helpful. If you want us to make any tutorial videos on any topics, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.